Welcome to the Velox Vision Masterclass. I hope you are doing incredibly well and having a great day when you watch this video. It is a pleasure to have you here. In this training, we will dive deeply into every single step, including how to build powerful master prompts so you can easily understand the entire animation process from start to finish. To make learning as simple as possible, we have broken this course down into easy, manageable steps. Phase 1. Creating a master prompt. First, I will teach you exactly how to create a master prompt, so you can use it to generate consistent characters for every single video you make. So, welcome to step 1. Please watch everything closely, grab a notebook, and write down your points so you do not miss any important details. Let's get started. Now, first of all, let's head over to Gemini. Creating a master prompt is not a difficult task at all. Anyone can do it. I will share the main key point with you right now. We simply have to make the AI understand exactly what we want. Just start by typing, "Hi, I want to create a master prompt for my video," and you will help me with it. Just type this and press enter. What is the benefit of doing this? It immediately sets the context, so Gemini knows exactly what it is going to be used for. If you are using any other tool like ChatGPT or Claude, you will use these exact same steps. If you focus on these steps and understand them completely, you will be able to create any kind of video. In AI video production, creating the master prompt is the main foundation. The final product might change, but the core method always remains the same. So, what do you need to do next with Gemini? Just explain your idea clearly and tell it exactly what kind of master prompt you want it to generate. I have told it clearly what I want. Now I will type, "I have created a nursery rhyme channel. I need characters for it, and now you will give me a master prompt for them." That is the main thing we need to tell Gemini, exactly what we want. You can explain this in your everyday words. There is no need to use highly professional English. What is our next step? Now, I will tell it. Create 3 characters for me, a boy, a girl, and a rabbit. I specified the characters because if we leave it entirely up to the AI to just make 3 characters, it will use its own creativity and might give us 3 humans or 3 animals. But I used my own logic and asked for 2 humans and 1 animal, because that makes a great trio. You can always change the rabbit to any other animal if you like. Now, we will guide it a little more. I felt that it would automatically put clothes on the humans, but maybe not the rabbit. I want the rabbit to be dressed too, so I added the instruction. Make sure the rabbit is wearing a suit and shoes. Never miss this next step. We have explained everything, but we haven't told it what style we want. Usually, for this kind of creation, we use the Pixar style. So I added, I want all 3 of my characters in Pixar style. Finally, we tell the AI to give us a separate master prompt for each of these characters. This lets Gemini know to provide them individually, and I will explain later exactly why I asked for separate prompts. You also need to tell Gemini that the background must be white, so the entire focus remains purely on the character. I will also explain in detail later why we need this white background and exactly what it will be used for. This complete guideline ensures the AI understands and gives us exactly what we are looking for. Just remember one key point. Do not hesitate when talking to Gemini. Whatever you want to do, you have to tell it. Explain fully what you want from it, because it can only give you the right results if it knows your exact vision. If you have any questions at all regarding this video, or if you would like me to create a fully customized course tailored specifically to the exact type of videos you want to make, please do not hesitate to reach out. I have provided my VIP WhatsApp number in the description below, so you can easily contact me there. All right, let's see the results. Hit enter. It will process for a moment, and look at this. 1, 2, 3, boom. Look at this. Gemini has given us the master prompts for all 3 of our characters, and look at how detailed they are. Absolutely outstanding. Each prompt is completely separate and flows perfectly. Now that our character prompts are ready, I will generate them to show you exactly how our characters look. This is always my favorite part. For this, we will head over to our image generation website. You will copy and paste your master prompts one by one. It will take a little time to load. I have created 3 characters here, but you can create just 1 or even 4 or 5, whatever your heart desires. So, look at this. Our characters are fully ready in a complete Pixar style. They look like professional cartoon characters. Here's the boy, the girl, and our cute little rabbit. Whenever you need to create a master prompt for absolutely anything, you just have to tell Gemini exactly what you need. The core method is always exactly the same. only the words will change. All right, this completely finishes our first step. We have successfully created the characters. All right, let us move forward to our next step. Welcome to Phase 2, Professional Lyrics Designing. Now that our characters are completely built and ready to go, and you have learned the basics of prompt creation, we will take it to the next level. I will teach you how to build a prompt in every single phase so you fully master the skill. Now, we need poem lyrics for our video that we can run on Suno.ai. I have an idea for the video intro. I do not want to leave everything entirely up to the AI. We must use our own creativity. My idea is that at the very start, our 3 characters will appear on screen and introduce themselves, saying things like, "Hi, I am Leo." But I cannot just keep this in my head. I need to communicate it to Gemini. You will go back to the exact same chat where you generated your character prompts. If you are ever starting fresh, just briefly introduce your channel concept and characters to Gemini first. So, I will go to Gemini and tell it in simple words, I need lyrics for my first nursery rhyme. I want it to start with my 3 characters introducing themselves, and then the poem should begin. Next, I will give it the main theme. The poem should be about these 3 characters playing in a park, each enjoying different swings and rides. Do you see the main point here? I did not just dump the work on Gemini. I guided it clearly. Finally, we must specify the format. I will tell Gemini, I will use this script in Suno.ai, so please format it professionally with structure for the chorus, verses, and music tags. I could have just given you a pre-written master prompt to copy and paste, but I want you to learn the actual process. This way, you can customize things according to your own vision, make changes, and even create content for entirely different niches just by explaining your ideas to the AI. All right, let's hit enter. It will process for a moment. 3, 2, 1, boom, outstanding. First of all, look at this. It gave us a perfect title, Fun at the Park. Then it provided the exact musical style and metadata tags that we will paste directly into Suno.ai. After that, our actual rhyme lyrics begin. Just look at how beautifully it executed the start. Hi, I'm Oliver, with the star on my knee. Come and explore the world with me. Then it introduced the girl, and finally, Barnaby the rabbit. It took the exact concept I had in my mind and brought it to life flawlessly. It is truly outstanding. Just as we requested, it perfectly captured the park theme, showing different characters enjoying different swings and rides. And at the very end, it included a sweet goodbye. The entire structure is highly professional, exactly like what you see on massive channels, such as Cocomelon. This high-quality result happened because we used our own brains and creativity to guide the AI rather than just clicking buttons blindly. All right, our complete lyrics script is ready, but now we need to breathe life into these words. Suno.ai knows exactly how to do this job perfectly. So, let us move forward. Welcome to Phase 3, Transforming Lyrics into Music. For this next step, you need to head over to the Suno.ai website. Once you are there, select the Create option on the menu. You will see 2 main boxes that we need to focus on. The first is for lyrics, and the second is for style of music. Here is exactly what you need to do. Go back to Gemini, copy the musical style it provided, and paste it directly into the style box on Suno.ai. Next, copy your entire poem from the intro all the way to the end, and paste that into the lyrics box. You can just ignore all the other complicated options, though you can type in the song title that Gemini gave us at the top if you like. After setting this up, simply click on the Create button. By the way, Suno.ai offers very affordable subscription plans, which I highly recommend purchasing for professional use. Now, it will take a little bit of time to load and generate your track. And 3, 2, 1, boom.
Hi, I'm Oliver, with the star on my knee. Come and explore the world with me. And I'm Lily, with my wand and pigtails. Follow me through the magical trails. I'm Barnaby the bunny, with ears so long. Let's all join in and sing our song. Oh, we're playing at the park today, under the sun, in a happy way. Up and down and round.
Just look at this and take a listen. Wow, the audio is absolutely amazing. It created the perfect intro and structured everything flawlessly, all because we guided the AI correctly, regarding exactly when we needed a chorus or specific music tags. So, now our 3D characters and our complete musical track are fully ready. Let's move forward to our next exciting step. Welcome to Phase 4, Text to Image and Image to Video Prompt. I have prepared a special master prompt for you here, which works like magic. It gives you the complete visual flow of your video in just a few seconds. Now, how did I build this? I used the exact same secret I taught you earlier. I just opened a brand new Gemini chat, told it our lyrics were ready, and asked it to write a master prompt that we could take back to our original chat. I gave it a few simple but super important instructions. First, I asked it to give me a beautiful image prompt for every single line of our rhyme. Second, I told it to remind me exactly which character's reference image to use for each scene, so we never get confused about whose face belongs where. See? It is all about explaining your vision clearly. Then I asked it to put the motion prompt, the image to video instructions, right below it. This way, we know exactly how to animate every single picture. Because I gave it these clear instructions, it handed me the fantastic master prompt you see on the screen right now. And don't worry, I will be sharing this exact prompt with you in the course files. All right, let's hit enter here and see the magic happen. Just look at these amazing results. First, it highlights the exact lyric line. Then it gives us the perfect image prompt. And right here, it kindly reminds us to use Oliver's reference image. It has beautifully laid out everything we need to do. With that, our planning step is officially complete. Let's jump into the really fun part, our next step, where we will finally bring these scenes to life with animation. Welcome to Phase 5, Animation. Please listen to these steps very carefully because this phase is incredibly important. Here's what you need to do. First, copy the image prompt for our first line about Oliver. Head over to our generation website, select the Nano Banana model, remembering you can use the Pro option for that ultra premium quality, and paste your prompt there. Now, check your Gemini instructions to see which reference image is needed. Since it asks for Oliver, I will upload Oliver's reference image. This is exactly why we created those initial character images with a white background earlier. It ensures the AI keeps its main focus entirely on our character's face when generating new scenes. Click Generate, and it will load for a few moments. And look at this. See how perfectly and accurately our character has been created? For the next step, go back to Gemini, copy the video motion prompt, and paste it into the tool. Click Add to Prompt on the image you just generated. Switch to the video generation option, and hit Generate. After a short loading time, just look at how wonderfully our character's action has been brought to life. Now, let me share a major professional secret with you. We will do our editing simultaneously with our generation, so we can ensure the rhyme flows perfectly. Open CapCut, import your audio track, then import this newly created video clip and place it right at the beginning. Next, we go back to Gemini, copy the image prompt for the second line, check the reference, it is Oliver again, paste it into the generator, add his reference image, and hit enter. It will load, and look at this fantastic second image. Again, copy the video prompt from Gemini, add your new image, select the video option, and generate. Once that beautiful clip is ready, bring it straight into CapCut next to the first one. You will repeat this step-by-step process to build your entire poem, but let me give you a few amazing pro tips. If you ever generate a scene and you are not fully satisfied with it, just open a new Gemini tab, paste the full prompt details, and tell it, I don't like this. Please change it to this specific style. It will rewrite it perfectly to your liking. Also, while Gemini gives us a prompt for every single line, sometimes that feels too rushed. If a single video clip looks great playing across 2 lines of the song, you can simply skip the next prompt. Furthermore, nursery rhymes often repeat verses, so you can just reuse your beautiful clips from the beginning for the end. Finally, while editing in CapCut, if you only like a certain part of a video clip, just split it, delete the part you don't like, and keep the best moments. By following this exact workflow, your complete, professional nursery rhyme will be ready. I truly hope you have understood every part of this magical process. All right, let us move forward to our very last step. Phase 6, making the thumbnail. This is an absolutely crucial point. Think of it exactly like a food product. People do not know what it tastes like yet, so they are only attracted to it if the packaging is enticing. The thumbnail is that packaging. Viewers do not know how good your rhyme is. They will only click and come to your video if the thumbnail attracts them. Therefore, we must make a fantastic thumbnail. To do this, you need to go back to the exact same Gemini chat where we created our lyrics and character prompts. Let me read out exactly what I typed to Gemini so you can hear how simple it is. I wrote, "My rhyme is completely ready, and now I need a fantastic, eye-catching thumbnail for it. The thumbnail must feature all 3 of my characters, and I will provide their reference images to you. Please make sure the video title, Fun at the Park, is written clearly, and put my channel name, Cocomelon-style, written smaller on the side. I want a truly outstanding thumbnail, so please give me 3 different master prompts in 3 different styles." See? I am just reading out my exact thoughts. Just type this, and once again, we are simply communicating our exact vision clearly to Gemini. Alright, let's hit enter. It will process for a moment. And look at this. See these 3 incredible master prompts it generated. Now, what do you need to do? Head back to the generator website. Make sure you select the exact same model, Nano Banana 2, and use the Pro option. Paste the first prompt, and crucially, attach the reference images for all 3 of our characters. Just look at this. It has created an absolute showstopper of a thumbnail. You can follow this exact process to generate the other 2 prompts as well, and then simply download the one you love the most. So, now you know exactly how to make both the animated rhyme and the thumbnail. With this, your complete master course is now finished. But please do not limit yourself to just this one rhyme. The single main skill you have learned is how to explain your vision to Gemini. The better you communicate with the AI, the better the final results will be. You can now use this exact method to create multiple channels for different niches. I truly hope you have understood every single step clearly and easily. However, if you have any confusion regarding any part of this course, you are always welcome to ask me. The link to my VIP WhatsApp group and my number are listed in the description, so please feel free to reach out there with any questions you may have. Thank you.